Many Samsung users are unknowingly damaging their battery health every single day without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you a powerful built-in feature called battery protection that can significantly extend your phone's battery lifespan with just a few simple settings. To begin, open the Settings app. This is where all system-level controls and customization options are available. Next, scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. This section is designed to help you monitor performance, storage, and battery health in one place. Inside this menu, select Battery to access detailed power-related settings. Here you will find information about usage, charging behavior, and optimization tools. Now scroll down carefully until you see the battery protection option. Tap on it to open the feature settings. You will notice a main toggle switch at the top of the screen. Turn this toggle on to activate battery protection. Once enabled, two modes will appear: Basic and Maximum. For the best long-term battery health, choose Maximum Protection. This mode is designed to prevent your battery from staying at full charge for too long, which helps reduce chemical stress on the battery cells. After selecting Maximum mode, set your charging limit to 85% or 90% depending on your preference. This ensures your phone automatically stops charging before reaching 100%. By using this simple setting, you can noticeably improve your battery's lifespan and maintain better performance over time. Now that you know this feature, take a moment to enable it on your device and keep your Samsung battery healthier for the long run.